You guys know we just came out with the Havok. Now let's actually talk about some of the features, what makes this thing unique, and also the training adaptations you can get from training with a device like this. Now this is the thing, you could use a sledgehammer, you could use something like, again, our logs, where it's a solid object and you're swinging these things around, you could be striking objects. The difference though is that when we hit an object, think about like a boxer, right? When they're hitting somebody, when they actually hit somebody, that object actually slows them down. It actually eats a lot of the eccentric needs and requirements of that motion. That's why boxers, when they fight and they swing and miss, it makes them much more tired because they have to stop all that force themselves. That's where water bags, and especially for elite athletes, they're really good at absorbing force and then changing directions within it, right? So this is one of the things, that's where the water bags are so good. As I shift and I move, all that water shifts, hits the end. I have to have that eccentric overload, right? Those reflexive eccentrics are what I'm training when I'm utilizing something like this. Now, another thing with this thing is, as well, this thing is solid steel, right? This ain't no cheapo handle here, right? You're not gonna get no bending. You're not gonna get anything crazy. This thing will last you a lifetime, right? So again, this is actually something where we utilize these tools. You're getting high quality with it. You're also, again, instead of you having the object absorb the blow, which again, we utilize things like the logs, like those sledgehammers. They're all useful tools. This is just gonna get you a much different training adaptation for athleticism and being able to change and absorb forces as we continue to train and get athletes better.